What's going on, guys? Today we're reviewing the COWIN E7 wireless Bluetooth headphones. Let's get on to it. These headphones sell on Amazon for about $70. This price makes it fall into the mid-range category for Bluetooth headphones online. Let's get on to the unboxing of the product. So inside the box, we get a mini USB cable, along with an auxiliary cable, and the headphones themselves. So taking a first look at the headphones, you can tell that they have a huge ear cup, which means for better sound quality. They have a swivel type design, which allows it to turn and twist easily, and this is also very sturdy as it's made out of metal. The ear cups can extend to a great length, which allows it to fit to a normal human-sized head. Although they did say that these headphones were over-ear, I found my ears to be quite well tucked in into the headset. This meant that they were around ear and very comfortable to use. The other good feature about this headphone is that you get the ability to plug in a standard wire, which means that even when you run out of the battery, you can still use it with a cord, which is quite nice. The ear cushions are quite soft and comfy, which allows them to be unnoticeable when wearing. Here is a sound test of what they sound like. The sound quality feels quite balanced and no aspect seems to overpower the other. The active noise cancellation provided by these headphones is not so strong, but the noise isolation provided is quite nice and makes up for the fact. I recommend these headphones for the price, the Bluetooth range, the sound quality, and the amazing 30 hours battery life. As always, thanks for watching.
I love these new E7 Pros. They're beautiful to look at, the black. You can see here the blue light where it is Bluetooth into my computer. It was automatic. Didn't have to do any settings. Worked perfectly. They are very adjustable to any head size. And when you have them on, nothing. You hear nothing on the outside. And the sound quality inside is amazing. Oh my God. It's better than any speaker system. I love them. If you get a chance to buy these, they're worth every penny. Thank you.
Hello there, Amazonians. Today we've got something different. Instead of speakers, we're going to look at some headphones. These are made by COWIN. Can you read that? C-O-W-I-N. They're model E7, and these are the ones with the noise canceling device. First of all, when you're reviewing speakers, it's the only controversy is over whether they sound good, too much bass, not enough bass, all that kind of thing. With headphones, you've got the same discussions about sound, plus how they fit. Now, I read reviews from people on speakers that say, oh, they're too loose, they fall off my head. I'll give them 3 stars. And then there's other people that say, oh, they're too tight, they hurt my head. Well, they're not one size fits all. I mean, they're adjustable in length this way, but the tension that's on them is the way it is. It's like buying a pair of shoes. Either they're loose, tight, or they fit. So let's not get into giving stars away because of the shape of your head. As far as sound goes, again, some people want lots of bass. Other people don't like too much of this or that. These headphones sound great. They reproduce the sound of what you're listening to very clearly. Very good balance. Plenty of bass, plenty of everything, actually. It depends on what you like to listen to, who the sound guy was that put the tracks together, a whole lot of variables. But for the price, these are excellent headphones. They're very comfortable. I have a larger than usual head. Mine wears 7 3/4 hat size. They fit me just fine. They don't fall off, and they're not too tight. They have simple controls. On the right side, you can wear it either way you want. On the right side, there's a button down here that's got off and on. Well, actually, it's off, then BT for Bluetooth, and then noise canceling. And it's easy to find with your fingers. The pause button is the center of this triangle. The volume controls are up and down. It's quite simple. But the sound is good. If it fits your head or not is a matter of your head, not the headphones, actually. But great sound, very durable stainless steel frame, very well soft padded, if you can see that. The ears are great padding and material there. They fold for transport. Like I said, they're adjustable. So with these down, they're fairly small. They'll fit in a small purse, small bag. So check these out. These are around $70 on Amazon. They're made by COWIN. And I think they have excellent sound. Whether or not they fit you, you'll have to decide. But that's probably a reason to return them and get a refund if they don't fit, as far as Amazon is concerned. That you'll have to deal with Amazon. But you won't know until you try them. But the sound is excellent. I think it's a good deal. The noise canceling actually works really well. It's almost like an EQ setting. When you flip it off and on, it changes the amount of bass and the amount of balance between mids and highs in the bass. So you can experiment. You've got 2 sound choices there. But it actually does deaden most of the sound that you want it to do. So check these out. They're on Amazon, made by COWIN.